before when I was like before. And I have friends from, Danton Remoto, the Ladlad, and also I have friends from Progay.
You should explain your shirt tomorrow. Says
Yeah.
the listener.
You watch tomorrow, I'm gonna wear a shirt.
A new shirt.
A new shirt.
Oh,
So that's for
aabangan mo
tomorrow.
yan.
It's gonna be cheesy, guys.
Anong oras ulit showtime? Tanghali?
Some gays are mad at Facebook too. And don't apologize, they said. Vice Ganda is from FU Paul's side. He's proud. Kala niya siguro na someone lang si Tado.
Mga gays na yung nagsabi niyan.
Hello to my gay friends, Tuli Smart and his wife, Joanne. Yeah.
Maybe we
They're
should
over
pause
in
for
Visayas, man.
commercial break.
Just now commercial break, but you can play a song if you want.
Okay. I thought we had to.
We're gonna take more callers.
Okay,
Let's take callers about bakla.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Oh,
Ay,
sorry.
Batiin mo naman ako pag ando ka ba bukas?
Yeah.
Batiin mo kaya ako
No,
bukas?
no one told me. I thought I was like having like a special spot to make greetings. I was supposed to greet you guys, but
Yeah, you say.
And you're supposed to plug the show.
blue rat.
And your shirts.
yeah. And then it's like it's nothing na. And then Miss Gladys just told me like, no, you have to make singit.
Yeah.
That's what we
While
do
you're
here.
introduced. That's what they do.
Because I always follow rules. Because the one briefed me, said, okay, if you do that, blah blah blah, you say something, and then when the he she is saying you make sagot, and then that's okay. Okay. If someone told me like this, I will keep quiet when Vice Ganda saying bad things about me. That's fine with me too. But the writer said that I'm okay. I'm just good doing that.
How do they keep you as a judge there? They vote you out?
I think this is like a texting. I thought that contest is like